Hi, we are introducing the new Rowe Pump from Rowe made by GHS Procare Group in Bahrain. This is the new innovation in infusion pump. Our innovations are impulsed by increasing pressure of healthcare costs, needs of inexpensive ambulance therapy systems. Agents critical drugs generate substantial side effects by exceeding patients' tolerance barriers. These side effects can cause allergic reactions, anaphylactic reactions, even death of patients. The application areas: we can give antibiotics, antimycotics, chemotherapy for oncology patients, we can give fibrinolytics, and finally we give painkillers. The Rowe Pump allows a simple and safe medication of small drug amounts for a few minutes, several hours, or even for more days with constant flow rate. The product features are high dosing accuracy ±5%, variable filling volume 10 to 100 ml, various flow rates from 0.5 to 100 milliliter per hour, easy handling, guarantee of patient's mobility, good biocompatibility of materials, PVC and latex free, cheap system, optional continuous or bolus function. The Rowe Pump is superior to all other established application systems available at the market either through quality or price advantages. You can see some comparison here: the Rowe Pump, mechanical system, electrical system. The flow rate is much better. This applies for both mechanical and electrical competitive systems. You can see the differences between SureFuser, Rowe Pump, and Chrono APO-GO. Filling the pump, we are going to use 60 ml syringe, fluid with the medication, and then apply it in the pump. This is the pump half full and filled pump or emptying the pump. And you can use also two pumps to give the same medication. With Rowe Pump, you can apply different drugs at the same time through a multiple connection. The Rowe Safe Valve Flow Rate Constancy Control Valve guarantees constant flow rate during the whole application time. The pump set consists of pump, syringe for filling the pump, connection tube, lower lock connector. We have 0.2 micrometer filter for clip and cannula. Hi, this is Rowe Pump again. Rowe Pump consists of a drug reservoir. I will show you how it looks when it's empty and how it looks when it's filled. We have the fluid indicator. You can see how much you can fill it more or less. Here we have it's half and half here, and the maximum width that you can see it from here, that you can fill it more up to 120 milliliters. The Rowe Pump is disposable infusion pump for fluid management. Second, we have here the filling port. You have this rubber blue piece, and then we can fill it from here. It's one-way valve. It's only for patient safety. Then we have the safety valve. The safety valve is located on the right corner of the Rowe Pump. The safety valve constant pressure control, it's only to maintain the flow rate till the last ml going to the patient. Then we go to the extension. It's plastic and it's not kinking extension. So you can see the elasticity of this extension. There is no way of kinking, and it goes up to 1.5 meters. We have here the filter. It contains two types of filters: the 0.02 mm filter hypophobic, and we have the hydrophilic filters. Now let me show you how we fill the Rowe Pump. How to prepare and use the Rowe Pump. First of all, you should have the medication, the special connector here, I will show you how to use it, and 60 ml syringe with lower lock. First of all, you uncover the special connector and then you apply it using the universal precaution to prevent any infection to the medication or the fluid, and you uncup the connector. You use the lower lock syringe and then you need to draw the medication. It's very simple and very important for infection control related to the medication. Let's say this amount of medication, we fill it, and then we take out the syringe, and you can keep the special connector to prevent any problem to the rubber or any abrasion. After preparing the right amount of medication, it's time to fill it into the Rowe Pump. You unlock the rubber from here and then you take it off. You will see the one-way valve. You bring the 60 ml syringe with the lower lock, you put it in, you twist it a little bit to make a good seal, and then you inflate and you give the medication. You can see here, okay, and then you refill it, and remember that this rubber is only one way, so there is no air leak and there is no medication leak. Then you close the rubber again and you start preparing the extension. Sure, you should unlock it to allow for the medication to be gone outside. This is how to unlock. Very simple. And then it will start emptying the medication and the air bubbles. By the way, the Rowe Pump is color-coded infusion pump. The blue one, it can have a flow rate of 2.5 ml per hour. We have many types of them, starting with 0.5 ml per hour up to 10 ml per hour. Now, waiting for emptying the extension, and you can see that there is no air bubble at all in the whole extension, and when it's free of air, it's time to connect it to the patient. Remember to make sure that the IV insertion area has no signs of inflammation or of infection, and there is no infiltration. Now we can see that there is some drops, and we can connect it to the patient. This is the IV cannula here, and then you connect it to the patient. You can see in the veins that there is no inflammation, there is no phlebitis, and now the medication is running 2.5 ml per hour. Why Rowe Pump? Because it's improved quality for patient life. It's ergonomic, flat design, comfortable, unobstructed carrying, more freedom of movement due to the long tubing system, variable carrying system, and it's silent in use. And in planning, we are studying now for using for individual pain therapy. In addition to that, we have this carrying pouch. It's soft and not heavy, and it's easy to put the pump and you carry it with you during the day. Thank you.